Okay, we wanted to show you a little room tour where we are staying at Endless Summer Surfside. We are staying in room 2177 as Tower 2, first floor. We were not expecting that, but we ended up with the suite, which has the other bed in there. But we have 2 queen beds in here. There's Tyler in the mirror. Hiding with our stuff. But we have the TV in here, a little counter area with 3 drawers. Some little hooks for your storage to hang things. We do have a coffee maker.
Nice sink.
Running water.
Yeah.
Have a drawer with some coffee and a little silverware. Plenty of little storage there underneath the sink.
Refrigerator.
With the refrigerator, microwave.
Put your cans in there.
And, excuse our stuff there, but we do have a table here. You have a table to sit at. And like I said, we have this bedroom here. Also, we have a TV in here. Some hooks for your little storage. And this is a queen in here with little, got some charging area and everything. And lights on each side of the bed. And a little closet. I'll show out the windows tomorrow once it gets daylight, but we are on the first floor, so there's not much of a view there. And it's dark, so you can't really see out right now anyway, but I'll show that in the morning. And you got plenty of little storage under your sinks. I really do like in these that they have the double sinks. So actually 2 of you can be getting ready at the same time. And we do have the bathroom with the shower and tub combo. And again, this is the 2 queen with the extra bedroom, the suite. And this is at Surfside. Dockside Inn and Suites also has these rooms as well. But we decided to do Surfside this time. We had a very, very short stay here at Surfside, Endless Summer. Okay, so I did want to show just a little bit out here at the pool as we are leaving this morning. I didn't really get to do a tour of inside the resort because, as I said, we literally just checked in, slept here, and are leaving to head home this morning. But there is the pool. We had the first floor room, so I didn't even try to give a view out of it this morning. I mean, it was just some palm trees since we were on the first floor, but it was actually very easy access to get to it because we were in Tower 2 right there. So we just come around this walkway from where we parked over there last night and come right around to our room. But honestly, this is a great value resort to stay in here at Universal Orlando. As far as staying on site, they do have bus service. It was very quick that we used yesterday, so definitely still highly recommend a stay here at Surfside. They do have 2 different buildings over here, and we have actually stayed at Dockside earlier this year. Dockside is across the street. And again, there's another shot of the 2 towers. And right in the lobby through there would be your food court. They do have a Starbucks. But again, bus service was quick and everything, and very pleased. We would definitely stay here again and look forward to being back again. Thanks for tagging along. Don't forget any of this fun stuff that you see us do in our videos and the places that we stay. I can help you book your trip and plan your vacation, whether it's Disney, Universal, Cedar Point, Dollywood, Pigeon Forge area, any of that stuff. I'd be glad to help you out, so be sure to contact me at the email below.